What's going on, everybody? Wanted to do a real quick video. We are at the Grand Design Transcend, and I want to kind of walk you guys through city water versus having water in the tank and running off of the pump inside. That way we don't have any confusion when you guys are out camping. You'll know exactly where the levers need to be. So let's do this quick video and get started. All right, first off, we are in the driver's side basement. This is considered the wet bay. Okay, this is where you'll hook up your water hose if you're running on city water, or if you want to fill the tank. So you run your hose right up and through here, hook it up to this, then you'll go to wherever your spigot is and hook up there. In particular, we're going to talk about this attachment right here, this lever. So if you are going to fill your tank, you want this knob pointed at tank fill. All right, and then you're going to fill your tank up. Keep an eye on what's inside, as well as there's an overflow valve. You'll hear water running out underneath. That will mean the tank is full. Then you can shut your water off. But after you do that, you want to put it back down to city water. So anytime you're using water in the camper, you need to have the lever down towards city water, whether you're using the pump or you're permanently hooked up to the siphon or the spigot at the campground. So if you leave it on here and try to turn the pump on, it's going to suck air through here and create an airlock and could damage the pump, but it won't give you any water. You always want to be down on city water. So when you're in full normal operation mode, lever pointed down to city water. If you're filling the fresh tank from this spigot, from the main water hookup, flip it over to fresh tank fill it up, and then flip it back down. On the passenger side, here's your door. You're just going to come left of the door. You're going to see a spigot right here. Okay, that is a direct flow into the fresh water tank. So you can also fill the fresh water tank off of this, but you do nothing to the bay over there. Leave it where it's at. Stick your water hose in here. Fill up the tank. You'll hear air. If there's any air in there, it'll push it out through that vent, and then water will fill up and it'll start coming out of the attachment there, out of the nozzle there, and then you just shut the water off and you're good to go. So you've got two ways to hook up to fill up your water tank. If you're at a gas station or somewhere, you can just hook your hose up and fill it up via gravity or pressure from the service, or you can go over to the wet bay area and you can fill it up there. But you have to remember that if you fill it up in the wet bay, you have to switch the nozzle to fresh tank fill and then move it back to city water. If you're using the spigot on the passenger side by the door, just leave this alone, fill it up, and you're good to go. All right, hope that video helps. When you're off-grid camping and you need to get water, and for some reason you know your tank's full and you don't have water, make sure you check that valve. Make sure it's on city water. But hope you guys enjoy your trip. Again, don't hesitate. Reach out if you have any questions, and we'll see you soon.